In a groundbreaking venture that highlights our commitment to sustainability and innovation, we recently undertook a comprehensive project for a leading transport industry client. Their vision was twofold: to modernize their facility with cutting-edge solar panels, and to rejuvenate the building's exterior, addressing both aesthetic and structural concerns. Our team meticulously tackled the challenge, starting with extensive repairs to the roof, including the removal of obsolete equipment and sealing of historical leaks. Utilizing our proprietary StretchSeal Flex waterproofing system, we ensured a leak-proof base around new solar panel mounting areas, guaranteeing long-term durability and efficiency. The cleaning of the roof was carried out meticulously by hand, using galv wash to prepare the surface, followed by the application of a rust converter to safeguard against corrosion. To complete the preparation stage, we applied a special chromadek primer chosen for its superior adhesion qualities, forming a robust foundation for the roof paint. We finished the project by applying 2 layers of high-quality roof paint, significantly enhancing the building's appearance and resilience. That's how we take a roof from worn to wow. Contact EcoSeal today to book your free inspection.